system was horrendous. You know, they had the No Child Left Behind system. Several of the schools were identified as failing, and the students were supposed to be sent constantly, and the politicians stood around those schools and said, no, you cannot do that to our schools. We're not upset that the children are failing. You know, that has a tremendous impact on what happens to them and the rest of their lives. Yeah. Mr. Secretary, thank you. Appreciate the time tonight. Dr. Doug Dawson, always good to be in Washington, D.C. Thank you. This piece in the New York Times that reads tonight tackles the political side of this and reads the following quote: the mathematical reality means it's standing strong against electoral populist is Democrat. You know, this is 2016 Deputy Campaign Manager, President Citizens United, contributed on Dr. Garson recently making some of those points. Now, Ronaldo, you said earlier today that Democrats do with these urban disasters. You said how much aid do they include in helping out like really politicians? It's all true. Home Secretary Dr. Jonathan Woodward has done something magnificent things vis-a-vis the
God, hold on, what's that?
Wakey, wakey.
You're going to do that one time, too many. And me and you are going to go around and around, okay?
Alright.
Don't record me.
Yes, Annie.
Don't record Freddie. Don't record Dixie.
Okay, I'm going.
I don't want you to go, but I don't want you to record me and keep on doing it.
Did you have a nice nap?
No, I didn't get my nap out. I wake up and got that stupid thing in my face.
Okay, I'll turn it off.
All right. Turn it off, please.
Alright.
All right.
Okay, it's getting turned off. 5 more minutes.
No more minutes. Your time up.
3, 2, 1.